Jọ̀wọ́ kó ronigbe owewohin abatino omemefove media ryukmonfuwa wagade wadogo modion ivie doni mose omodion nahin namuri anorugwe nahin na abati wane meri ukponfu abe media amaini go no baseki be monena abati amosho baseki give you when you just dey craze for media. They say for UK they beg people say make dem come work. They go even dey tell you say which one you wan do for inside. You go do this one, you go do this one, and you go even dey choose. Aba don craze finish for media wadogo modio make una come see. Na first one be this one or this one na first one wey una just dey see so. How much Obaseki can't give you this time around where you just dey craze, you dey throw away cloths. Now so dem dey do am before you know you go vivie kwa viokwa. Ije me o. Abat Obazee enene kporu ogwugwe na. Ejo owinye giriye eraga gwegwan owinye giriye o ije ga gwegwan owinye giriye owe nori yen ho eyin yen kan yawe mi o akobe ma mo fen eyi to bi ebo ni ehin o gele area ya sun na so dey start am area wa ya sun ze o we rin ka we erin ka we osun afi lopon kwa. The time wey bad dey for Naija, e no start to dey throway cloth o. No, the difference is clear. Na when Abat go meet people wey no suppose to meet, when e come go ring road, Abat omagi jeme no kaje. People wey dey talk truth, no na talk truth for this video. The time wey Abat dey Nigeria wey be say Obaseki maiwa hun e get do maiwa hun enjo onu. Abat no be like this. Oga amene betene ni oga eni ona gaya ari hunji. Then no igwa jenna egi gari hunji ye wa we munu wa gba moto wa gba Abati Abati wo je gbowe ya kiyan no nana. Wadogo modion no zuwa ore UK o made okay ni mwe video no pajo no wa no wa watch for mi etene rwan.
Me where pass na Oba or na Obaseki tapa ozuo. See comment section. Fools. How many agberos they be? How many? All the staffs. Oba Tepe. Hago Basini. Hago Tepe. Hago Batile. How many? See comment section. Ozuo. The caller, God, I will bless you for asking this question. You don't raise my spirit. Don't raise my spirit. Don't raise my spirit. I said, why you not tapping? Even people when they say that you're bad people, fear no let, shame no let them comment now. See that shame no let you comment. Shame no let you comment. Over where you go to the ring road, where government has, or we have a crown prince. I bet me aware my shame face will not give me violation. Now there is a call. Hello?
Hello, cracking boss. Cracking boss.
I greet you, sir. People they hear you, more than they call, more than they talk. And people they hear you.
All right. You see, if you listen to, you see this governor who get, we'll be like, well, we don't get anybody for those state as a governor.
Okay.
First, if you give this guy a letter, you know if you read down, even if he wants sign, you don't know what he wants sign. Okay. Even if he wants to like, this man go sign.
Okay.
What he concern now, how Tinubu and how he go take the second tenure and Tinubu second tenure, now he consign them. Other than that, this one I'm Mumu now. So this one I'm Mumu now. And if you listen to what in I don't want I get very if you listen to the message when about the talk for government house, what did they drag? Now may they give and more and they talk. But whether they don't understand the contractual implication of what they do, I don't know how far they'll fit go with that. Governor Bill don't agree with the palace to take over more. If you listen to the way He said, make governor. He said he enjoy governor to reverse to the original plan, which was that this more was supposed to be for them. May they give up. I mean, if you listen to me, if you need that clip, I will cut and send it to you. The people that say, Obazee, that investor, that moron, don't agree with, I don't know what they say that they do, whether they say that the way that they run a door so contract be all over the world. My brother, they just tire me because you can't for talk. If I talk, the way our people be, they get where they take day. I arrest them for them. They drag more. Don't be the way embarrass a visitor. They won't take more. How I say they give them more? I say in a property. All the money when they donate to this thing is supposed to be for them. So make more the extension of make it be palace harness of palace. That's what they drag. If you don't understand, make a clear to you. Going by the video when me listen to, when me hear from them, I hear from him what? He say they tell a governor now, make governor not make another mistake. Make governor give him more. Say more supposed to be property. That will be the thing when they okay. If you don't understand, I make a clear to you. Okay. And that's time for there, we get the way we talk now. All they do go turn against me.
No, nobody will turn against you. Why they talk like that? We don't pass that level. Who they feed you? Who cares? We don't pass that level. Then we stop all those coward talk. Now put us on where we did, so one get going. Nonsense. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
About all of the...
Hello?
Oh?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I hear you.
Hello, City Boss.
I greet you, I hear you. I salute you.
You there online?
Yes, we dey live.
Okay, so I just want to contribute to this thing when we say you talk. So.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, now the question first, Edo people. Make una is this all about opinion when we saying they opinion so now only in family na dey there Edo state.
Okay.
Can we continue to feed from hand to mouth in Edo state? Say if they don't give her anything for Edo, so make the state crash. Now I'm using this opportunity to speak to Edo people in general, not just the Benin people. If you know you are from Edo Central, if you know you are from Edo North, begin to speak up. Enough is enough. The Oba Benin, we don't give her respect, rich. He cannot bring us down because if he say maybe he didn't want kind of privileged position, then he wants to bring the entire state down. This more, if maybe say you hate Obaseki, leave him. You hate Obaseki, but leave him. Me don't people get employment. Not be only your family there, though. Not be only you one. Leave the people to grow. We cannot continue to shout Oba for how many years now? The Oba Benin, we have not seen anything that he has done for Edo people. No scholarship, nothing. We don't view the general, we don't know, say, this is our king, this is what he has done. We have been praising this man for how many years now? But yeah, I don't know the kind of greed when they find. Okay, as we go bring billions of naira, commit the key, only you and your family. Because the artifact, this artifact, when they build,